Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you easy methods to cut and copy in Excel. Let's go to video. To cut, you can decide and click on it and go to what you want to release that and paste it. You can see it has placed. To copy, when you go to corner of this and you can see this plus sign and click on it and go to cells what you want copy and release it. Then you can see it has copied. This side also you can do that. When you click 1 and 2 like that this and copy it. You can see this order. When write 2 and 4 like this and copy, you can see 2 multiplication method. Then write 10 and 7 like this and copy it. You can see it has like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.